All right, all good. YouTube gave me a little bit of a start, had a problem with connection. Awesome. God bless you all today. Thank you so much for joining me. We are going to have a wonderful session today on June 19th, 2025. This is Ben Leto. Thank you for joining me. Hey, visit my store. I've added a couple of new items there, but more importantly, there is a 100% satisfaction guarantee on both Extension 62 lines and Leto channels. That's right. Get a year license, use it for a year. If you don't like it for any reason at all, you can get 100% money back at the end of that year. So again, come and join my store. Come and visit store.sbgtradingcorp.com. I'm here to make you a better trader, and this is the way that it's going to happen. We have a good system that works, and we're going to stick to our rules. The rules work. Stick to the plan. Stay within the lines, and we're gonna conquer this market together. Really, I'm glad you joined with me today because you are a conqueror. You are a hero. This is not bigger than you. The market is going to bow down to us. It's going to be our servant. So come and join us. We're going to take some money out of the market today, as we do every day. And we're going to work on the science of overbought, oversold. We're going to take a look at Fibonacci analysis, very simple, in a way that we harness it to make you a paycheck. That's our goal. Let me turn up my gain here a little bit. So we're going to rock and roll today. It's 8:56 in the morning. Let's take a look at the charts. There's no news today. We have a short trading session. I think we end at 1 p.m. Eastern in celebration of Juneteenth, which, as I understand it, is basically celebrating the goofballs in Galveston, Texas, who didn't announce the end of slavery until June 19th, 1865. So here's to the goofballs in the world. All right, let's open up a chart. Hey, Aaron, you're still there. Awesome. God bless you, brother. I thought about you immediately when I saw the news the other day. You all right over there? Oh, are you there? Can you hear me? Why is my audio going off? Aaron, can you hear me? I'm so glad you're okay. Glad you're with us. Yeah, I saw the news the other day, tragic pictures of the overnight attack, so I hope you're doing okay over there. Good, 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 good. Get some quality time, my friend. So we have a shortened trading session today in celebration of Juneteenth. Aren't we all happy about that? Celebrating those goofballs who delayed the announcement of the end of slavery in America. So I'm glad slavery is over. Now we are just slaves to ourselves. All right, guys, we're looking at the markets here. Good, man. I'm so glad you're okay. We had a good session yesterday. We missed you. Did you do any trading yesterday? All right. I don't know how the market's going to behave today. since it's sort of a holiday. I tell you one thing we're going to do, we're going to stick to our rules, darn it, because I tell you what, you go off rules, you go into your own little ideas, you get preemptive, you get way ahead of yourself. You don't follow your rules, you're gonna end up in trouble. So our system, the lion method is based on volatility. We're looking for volatile moves into overbought, oversold regions. And I don't know if today's going to have that volatility. I really don't know. We're going to find out. And if it doesn't move into those volatile areas, then I don't want to be trading it. Day traders, we make money on volatility. We make money on volatility. Well, we just had a little dip into some volatility here, into oversold on the Russell. So that is worth taking note of. We're a little short on the MES. We just hit oversold on the NAS. Just hit oversold on the NASDAQ. So NASDAQ and the Russell were oversold. This would have been a great entry. We're a little late to the party on Russell. This, however, is setting up nicely. We could do, I'm getting very, very conservative on my risk, Aaron, because I totally made a boo-boo on Monday. I'm sorry to hear that you had trouble with the IWM trade. Sounds like a good plan. But I am very conservative now because I went off plan on Monday and I'm back on track. I'm not here to make any stupid mistakes. All right. Ideally, I'm looking to be a buyer right at this level in the NAS. So that is, I'm just going to play it safe. I'm going to go 2 contracts long on a breakout here.
Order submitted
at 21,774. We're oversold. We have nearly perfect swing point on this bar. Net delta is the cumulative net delta has crossed above its moving average. That's what the histogram shows us. So a positive histogram means the cumulative net delta, basically every bar adding up the delta on every bar, has gone above its 7-period moving average. I think I would use a 7-period. So it's rising. And that means buying is coming into the market, generally speaking. It means people are hitting the ask price more than they're hitting the bid. Now that could be a head fake, there's no doubt about it, but we're going to go off of the idea that more people are interested in buying in that market. Glad you're okay, man. It's ridiculous out there. Hmm. Missed a good trade in copper yesterday. Right here. I was talking about it with the guys who were in the. I saw copper go above this oversold area. Boom. Shot back down. So I didn't take the trade because I was worried that we're going to go lower. And I got distracted. But right here would have been a pretty solid buy area. buy here, target the first one, second target here, and then the market just continued upward most of the day. Would have been a really good profitable trade, but we're in it today. Again, I don't know what the market's going to bring us. We are looking to buy there. The micro NAS. I like that it retraced 50% of that little bump. So we're at a 50% retracement here. Twenty 75% retracement almost. All right, well, just falling out here, 9:05 in the morning. We do have a valid buy now. We have a buy blue dot. You can see that. So I moved my price down to 21,771.
Order filled.
We are long. We are long.
Order submitted.
And we're not going to be hogs.
Submitted.
We are going to target the 100. I don't know what happened here, 9:06 in the morning, but we do have some volatility. All right, $150 risk. I don't like it. I'm jumping out here, guys. I don't know why it came along. We have no news today that I could tell. Somebody messed with the NASDAQ. We want good, smooth markets. So let's put a target here. I'll move that one up a little, see how the market moves. Hello, RC Ficel. Thank you for joining me here. Yep, I bought a little volatile move here. Explosive. Something happened at 9:05 here, 9:06, something like that. It's all right. Playing small risk today. Being a shortened day, I don't know how the market's going to react. Are people not involved in trading today, or will they step in and then, I guess 1 o'clock is where the markets will close Eastern time. This thing, I don't know, it just died, huh? RC, I'm not sure if you're familiar with the Lion system here that we're trading, but we look for a scientific approach for overbought, oversold, and that is when we hit our channel levels here. That's oversold. So these channels are oversold on the bottom, overbought at the top, and it's based on a historical look back of the volatility around the 100-period moving average. So I'm basically finding 90% of the time that the price is contained within this black area between the channels. 10% of the time it exceeds these levels, and the max move is shown by the outer edge of the bands. So I like to look for that 90-10 right here, where it hit that 90% of the time price doesn't get to that level, 10% of the time it does. So we're using that as our basis. That's right, Aaron. Jesus does love you. He's the King of the Jews. He will protect you. I tell people all the time, God loves and protects the Jews, and I strongly recommend that they get on board with that program, because I highly recommend you do the same. Yeah, buying the top. We're buying a breakout, and you know what? Breakouts can be fake outs. There's no doubt about it. They can be. But when we couple this breakout idea with looking for oversold areas and reactions out of oversold, true oversold, then we have an edge. That's what we're shooting for. So normally our first target, and it's where I have my exit, is this is an extension of the swing. So this red line here is an extension of the swing that occurred from here to here. And the second target is going to be typically the 100-period moving average, but I'm going to hold off a little bit. Let's see if we can get a little higher. The third target is the lower part of the upper band. So technically this is our third target, but that's a little extreme. I'm not sure if volatility is going to move us up that high. It does happen, there's no doubt. I had some good some of those examples yesterday. Take a look where the indexes are. So we did get our buy level hit in the MES. We did hit it in the Dow as well. Gold, we're just not oversold. We haven't really gotten oversold in the Dow, so that's not really a valid entry. We did get oversold in the Russell, but we never hit our entry price. And we're not oversold. So the first step in our analysis is to get into the oversold or overbought region. If it doesn't hit oversold or overbought, we're not interested. None of this matters. None of this in here. This is a valid setup. We went here. Price just hit our first target. The first target is the 100. Looks like we're clawing our way back up. Clawing our way back up. Let's see what happens. Where are my buyers at? Come on, buyers, get in there. Okay, we got a good positive delta on this one. So this lower indicator is it's just a simple net delta calculation. The white hash marks show the actual net delta on that bar. So that was a good positive push. People are hitting the ask. Not totally thrilled about my fill price. You know, that is basically the upper part of the range. That's all right. That's all right. We're getting there. Let's take a quick look around the rest of the world. Crude is flatlined, not that much going on here. I enjoy watching nat gas, but not overbought or oversold there yet either. Heating oil is overbought. I won't be trading heating oil today though. I think it's just too thin right now. We are long in micro NASDAQ. Very small number of contracts. Again, we're playing wimpy. Slow and steady wins this race, guys. Day trading is not about hitting the grand slams. If you're a baseball player, winning is about hitting singles. Single, get on base. Tried swinging for the fences many times. It usually blows up in my face. Oh, I've hit a couple home runs. Yeah, but you strike out a lot, right? Look who's back at their entry price. Alright, this might be a critical level. See what the market does here if it breaks out again. Alright, alright. Come on, buyers now. Where are my buyers at? What happened? Data? Oh, Ninja's freaking out on me. Hold on. Ninja's freaking out on me. Alright, we're back. I don't like our delta is moving downward. I got no problems with bailing out on this trade. I have no problems with that. I am encouraged by our tendency histograms. Now, if you're new here, these histograms are based on the average position of price against the 100-period moving average in the recent history. So if the green histos are here, it means that tendency is price has been above the 100 more than it has been below the 100 during this time of day. So we can see it actually move further upward against the 100 in the recent past. So this is a time when the NASDAQ has come into some periods of buying. And actually it started back here at 7:30 in the morning. So we all know the NASDAQ has been moving up in recent sessions. So I'm playing this a little bit. I know it's weakening. The uptrend is softening. So we're getting a little downturn in our histo. I don't like that. This is the net delta histo. So the histo shows the cumulative net delta line against its moving average. And we are just now crossing, our net delta is crossing downwards. So I don't like that. We need some buyers, guys. Call up your friends. Tell them to buy the micro NASDAQ. Call your friends. Tell them to hit the buy button. It looks like somebody called somebody. All right. I don't think it's got the strength, guys, so the little engine that could seems to be unable. Patience, patience, patience. What are you guys trading today? Mm, 9:22, guys. We're coming into the open. We hit $30 against us. I'll be bailing out of this trade. We're at, right now we're down 15 bucks. 13 bucks, 12. Not trading much today, Aaron. That's just a look like a Juneteenth day here, guys. I'd like to get out of this trade before we hit our open. Somebody found the buy button. Somebody found it. Somebody found the buy button on their platform. Somebody found the buy button. Base hits, come on. Let's move our stop up in case this market does a silly thing. We're just risking a couple bucks. Don't beat around the bushes. Come on. You guys remember Belky from what was that called? That show called? Don't be ridiculous. Perfect Strangers, was it? Something like that? The 80s? Alright, guys. WWJD on this trade. I don't know. I think we got a little bit more north going here. But you know what? I'm gonna hit the close button once I get 30 bucks. Let's move our first target in just a little bit there. What do you guys think? Yeah, Belky. He was Bronson Pinchot. It's a show in the 80s where he was like from Albania and he was in New York with his cousin. Don't beat it on the bushes. Or he did like a bit ridiculous. It was like 87, 88, 89. Belky was his name in the show. Could have been Perfect Strangers. Oh, this is agonizing, isn't it? 925 here, guys. Tell you what, let's get this show on the close out this whole thing. Yeah. All right, I closed
Order
out.
filled.
Made a couple bucks. Sure, go ahead. Buy. You guys hitting the buy button now. Fine. There we go. I got a couple. I'm not going to be greedy on Juneteenth. Right? Nobody wants to be greedy on Juneteenth. Nobody's going to be greedy on Juneteenth. Well, officially, I did hit my target. Right? We hit the target. Target achieved. Lion system was a win. I just chickened out. I'm a chicken. I didn't like it. I don't like it. Alright, well, we hit target on our... Oh, we weren't in that market. We were in this market, and we did hit our 100... The 100 MA is a target. If it's inside of the red line, then it's a near target. Whatever's closer, the 100 MA or the fib extension lines. This red line is just yesterday's high. No, what is it? High price? No, the low price. Wow, we're down. Right? Yeah, prior day low. You're not being guilty, being greedy on Juneteenth either. That trade was just not really making me happy. Oh, just hit our 100. Just hit our 100, guys. There we go. I made 23 bucks. All right. The show must go on. Get the road on the show. That's what I always say. Get the road on the show, brother. All right, nat gas. Nat gas. You upset me the other day. This. I did get a win in nat gas yesterday, but where was it? Look at this. Missed this trade. The one that got away. So look at that. Bottom of the move. Right at 6 a.m. Eastern time. Right here. Go long. Boom. Boom. And if we target the lower upper, the overbought, lower part of the overbought band, that would have hit it for sure. So it'd be a perfect trade. But look at that sucker just take off. So we found the low of the market yesterday on a Leto trade, Leto channels, Lion method trade. You guys thought I was just lucky. All right, well, heat and oil is finding the gas pedal. Very tempting, heating oil. Big contract, though. It moves very swiftly. Kind of thin, though. All right, gold. Could have been a really good trend trades. So trend trading is my other trade, which I don't like very often. But if the market is moving down, I do like that. We're coming into an area of time where the market tends to be below the 100, and that's good. Rejection of the 100 is good. Could have gone short right here. Stop would have been up here. So the stop is about $50, $49 away from the entry. Stop up there, entry here, and the target for that level is right here. We would have hit it. I don't do very many trend trades. I did one on, I think I did one in NASDAQ yesterday. Oh, look at that. Glad I got out. 9:32, the open. Equities are open, guys. Equities are open. Equities have opened. Somebody ringing bells. Kind of glad I got out of my NAS. Oh, hold on, frozen here. Ninja is freezing up. Hold on a second. All right. Well, we're back at our entry price here for this breakout on the Dow. Russell is moving south. MES is back to its entry price, but all we can do. Whole bunch of nothing. Well, the Russell is heading towards oversold. So this is not oversold during this time of day. This is oversold. So we can see that after the open here, we do see the expansion of volatility. Makes sense. All right, Russell. A couple trend trades would have worked nicely. This trend trade would have been a winner. We just hit our target there. Gold, almost oversold. So close. Copper is heading towards its oversold. Silver, not much. Oh, live cattle. Oh, live cattle trading today. Let's see prices here. Maybe the meats, the ags are closed. 60. We haven't seen the 60 in a while. Let's see what it's doing. The old 60. 60. That's some good overnights here. That was a buy signal right here. Was a winner. These are all winners. First target and second target. This technically would have, I would have ignored this entry because we're so close to the 100, but we're oversold. The blue dot forms, and then we go long here. Not my favorite. Too close to the 100. There's some winners there late in the day. Not my nothing going on today. Be sure to visit my store, guys. I do have a couple editions, clarify some things. Let me know what you think. MCL is going northward. Going up north here on the MCL. Now we do have tendency histograms above 100 line. That's where we're at. We're heading to. If we come then into a reversal, right about 949, 948, tendency is to go down at that point in time. So keep an eye out for that on crude. So it would be nice if we did hit overbought up here and we come in with a tendency going downward. Very interesting if we do that. Otherwise, we're just not seeing. Oh, silver just hit oversold with a vengeance. Somebody's trading gold and silver pretty aggressively. But we are coming into a time of downward in silver. Coming into a time of downward in gold. Now, this is setting up pretty good for buying. I mean, we still want to get oversold, which is way down here, guys. But the tendency histogram shows a period of buying. NASDAQ is heading lower here on some really strong delta. People smashing the bid. Smashing the bid. That's ended. Now we're hitting the ask. Yeah, people are turning around here. We're getting some buying. Crude is popping. Crude is definitely popping. That gas is flatlining. Tendency, though, is coming into a downward session. Should have bought heating oil. But I don't buy it when we're overbought. I don't see a reason for that. Strong trends, yeah, will get you, but buying and overbought is not what I do. Bitcoin just cannot break its, what, 110 grand level. We're down to 104 here on the futures. Solana is another crypto pair. So look at that. We just tickled the oversold level, tickled the overbought level, tickled the oversold. Would have been some good trading in Solana. Just tickling the top there, guys. Now, this one was a pretty strong down move. Solana. I like the name. Okay. Anybody here with me? Did you all go on your party, your Juneteenth party? Type something in the chat so I know you're still with me. I don't think I have my... Oh, I'm not connected to... Sorry guys, I wasn't connected to my Coinbase feed. I don't have live crypto data. I don't know if Schwab is going to let me in. And Schwab is a pain in the butt. You gotta log in every 5 minutes. All right. Getting off of that, how is the ZB, the big old bonds come in? All right, Aaron, man. God bless you. Stay well and have a good weekend. Praying for you. We should be back on Tuesday. Again, the ZB, I don't really trade the bonds much, gotta be honest with you. They're just a little chunky. But I do like to look at ags. Thanks, bud. So this is bean oil, and I don't think that's trading today. It looks like there's no action here. So ags and meats are out of play. Sometimes I'm one of those crazy 6J traders. This thing can be a wildcat. The Bank of Japan does something. Yeah, I mean, technically this is the buy level. We just hit oversold, oversold, oversold. Buying here, could have gotten a couple ticks. Life is about a couple of ticks. That's a flush reversal right there. Up close bar with big net delta negative. This is in heating oil. Couple of flush reversal. All these three are flush reversal bars. Heating oil is not something to be trifled with. $218 risk there. We are moving out of the tendency of going into a downward tendency, so that could encourage me. Just really I don't have the margin right now to risk it because I was a stupid trader on Monday. Estupido. Alright, now we're connected. just looking so thin. Let's do 2-minute on the NBT. I don't know. Let's try September. Maybe it's got more action on September. Volume is in single double, 50, 40, 20. Where's our volume here? Yeah, they're about the same. Pretty low on the micro Bitcoin. I don't think I get a chance to trade a full Bitcoin. Let's check it out.
Order submitted.
Yeah. Apex doesn't want you trading a full Bitcoin. I don't blame them. That's crazy. All right. Anyway, where was I? Ooh, silver. Look at you. You hit that oversold and rejected. Crude never hit its high here. It's overbought. Look at that heating oil. Just too beefy for me. Made some killer trades in it before, but I don't have the risk appetite right now. M2K, the MES, the mess. Man. Selling was the idea at the open, huh? Yeah, that's a daily chart of the NASDAQ, so we're certainly looking toppy to me. Certainly looking toppy. Maybe we need a really good war to kick things off, huh? Lord, no. No more wars. We don't have anything on the news calendar. All right, well, we're hitting oversold here. That's a good sign for us who are... The Dow is hitting oversold. Tendency is up, but the market is oversold, convincingly oversold. Oversold. The mass is oversold. Not oversold yet here. We got buyers coming in. in the Dow. Well, the Dow is finding a little base. We're oversold and moving up. We're going to let it mature. We're going to let the market mature. We're going to put in a nice base where the buyers are holding the line. We're going to put in a nice base and we're going to look for breakout above structure. That's what we're going to do. That is the battle plan, guys. We got our battle plan. Alright, let's get off the 6J. We're running out of options because this holiday is messing us up. Gas. I don't know, Platinum has some pretty wild spreads. Bid-ask spread. I don't see much good in platinum. What is SPK? No idea what SPK is. Let me get data for it. Never mind, I'm not sure what that is. So SPK. Oh, we already looked at eggs. This is soybeans, but no data for today, so they must be closed. I don't think we have much to do other than heating oil showed a little sell-off. Coming in now to our downward period. Tendency is to be below the 100. Look how far we are above it. Here's a sell signal in heating oil. Magenta's out at 2.6089. Just a beefy contract, guys. I'm not excited about big contracts today. If I risk 30 ticks, man, that is so tight. I'm just not excited about the risk. That has a lot of reward, though, a lot of downside here. Huh? Almost got overbought. I mean, it's really, really close. Alright, well, we're looking like we're breaking down here in the energies. I'm going to put a sell limit on crude.
Order submitted.
And we're going to risk just a little bit.
Order submitted.
We're going to be miserly here, but... Tendency is down. Net delta is curving down. See if we get our fill price. I really don't want to chase the market, so I got limit order in. What's this price? Being really stingy, guys. I am not really stingy. And that's probably gonna miss a lot of trades, right? But I'm going for quality here, and I'm not gonna risk a lot. No more cowboys. Cowboys get shot. Cowboys get shot by the Indians. Short in crude, we got a short sell limit at 74.83. The market can't hit it. That's all right. We miss it. Skin off my nose. Almost 10 o'clock. One more tick down. 74.82 is our limit entry. 482. Come on now. If there's any volatility today. No fill, no fill. Gold, silver, nothing. Copper. So we are at our entry in heating oil. Again, I just don't want to risk the, it's a big contract, guys. It's gonna go away from us. It's gonna go away.
Connection lost.
The one that got away. It's the one that got away. I was a little too stingy. Alright, my bad.
Order canceled.
My bad, got a little stingy. This is shaping up good. See, this is what we want. A little base going in here into the MES. MES is put the base in, as is the YM. A couple minutes, we'll have a buy signal on this high for sure, and on this high as well. And the NASDAQ already has one, so could be a buyer in the NAS. Yep, crude is the trade that got away today. A little too cheap in heating oil. Good move. Going short here would have garnered $394 already. MNQ. This is looking good. Heating oil. Well, crude hit our target. Got away from me. I think the NAS is our market right now. And 04, we got about an hour left of trading here on Juneteenth as we celebrate the idiots of Galveston, Texas. I got some things percolating. A lot of risk though. Alright, we got a signal in the YM, which I like too. Just hit our entry price in the YM, but I'm gonna wait for a little poke above it. MES is also all right. I'm gonna put an order in the YM. Order in the YM, guys. We can hit the YM for a couple.
Order submitted.
If we can come back and get it. Oh, it's a pokey market today. Pokey, pokey.
Order submitted.
We got an order in the MES too.
Order submitted.
So far, nothing is getting full. Oh, look at that. Nothing yet, nothing yet. We are overcomers. Yep. Come on now. Ninja, you're freaking out now. Here we go.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
One of these gotta fill, right?
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order filled.
All right, we're long in the AS, thankfully.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Target the fib level first.
Order filled.
We're long in the ES too.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Come on, buyers, hit the gas. Drop a couple bucks right now. Again, I'm being real risk averse. All right, that's what we want. Come on now, keep moving up. Make me proud. Move up. Mm-hmm. You can push. You can push. Taking 3 off at our fib level, and we're gonna hold another one for the 100. Mm. Mm. Just stalled out here, guys. We're not moving. Stalled. Ah, forward progress. It's going good. What happened? Come on, guys. Hit the buy button. Mm. There we go. Gotta find it now. Find that buy button. Hit it. That's good. That's good. That's good. Buy button is being found. Buy button is. I'm going to my stop. I'll tell you what, I'm going to close out the ES.
Order filled.
Close out the ES. Let's keep an eye on the NASDAQ here. So I closed out the ES. Good little tidy sum. I got 40 or 45 on that. That's fine. Tell you, I'm not risking much, guys. Just ain't gonna do it. Glad I got out. What was that? 40. I think I got 40 bucks on that trade. Green. Market is just wimpy here. Come on, everybody. Where's the buyers at? Where are the buyers at? Oh, crude. Look at that. Right at the 100. Right at the 100. Big move. Dang. There we go, Nazi. Get on up now. There we beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, what happened? That's not beautiful. All right, stop is being moved to break even plus a little. Well, we might get stopped out. Oh, we might push up the target. Should have just left my target there. Net delta is pretty much neutral. Delta is pretty much neutral. I hit that prior low. No, let's just hold on. If we don't hit it, we don't hit it. I got my protective stop. We're pretty much guaranteed of being in the money. I don't think a gap is going to hit us that hard. We're on the right side of the trade. Where is it going to sit? Hands are being sat on. All right, we're back into overbought on heating oil. This is a perfect lion trade, guys. Perfect lion trade. We're going to let this thing just ripen. Let it go. We already got a base hit in. We got the ES at a base hit. $40. This guy is gonna get us a couple bucks. So we'll see. The buyers are coming in. Juneteenth. We're already in the money on Juneteenth. We're making money. Very tenuous. Drop down very quickly. I think that's what's happening. All right. Oh man, we had one tick from our exit. All right. Hey, we made some. Again, positive number. That's all right. That's all right. The day ain't over yet. We got another win. We only can get what the market will give. This is a squirrely market, right? It's very holiday-esque. Very thin. The volume's got to be way down. Get near the 100 on the Russell. I'll get near the 100 on all of them. Gotta take what we get. We don't have a fit. Coming out of overbought on heating oil. Big gap up there. Well, look at that. Nazi has decided to go up again. Okay. We got our piece. We got our piece. We got our piece. Well, we got a piece. Now, this could be another buy opportunity, folks. Breaking through that level. Target is below the 100, which is what you want to see. I'm going to put a buy if we break out above that price. I don't want to go long until we do. This could be a fake out breakout. But we got a buy stop at 21,721 and a quarter. All right, we might get filled on it.
Order filled.
All right.
Order submitted.
Got my stop here. I got my target here.
Order submitted.
Again, very, very light. Very light. I think I'm just risking 50 bucks here. That's all. 50 bucks is all I'm risking. Gold. Crude is kind of in la la land here. I missed the push down in crude. We were looking to short right at this level here, and it did hit our target, but I just got in. I missed it. Got away from me. Got away from me. Didn't hit my my limit fill, and that's fine. And he is having trouble moving up, and I wanted to, so come on, find the buy. Find the buy button. Mm. I'm only risking 50 bucks here, peeps. Right? It's 50. Yeah, $47 risk. Pittance. Hmm.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna go long another one. I like the way
Order
it's
submitted.
rejected lower prices, so long 2.
Order submitted.
I'm just gonna move my stop here. Alright, I think we're gonna get it. Get on up now, come on. Almost. Maybe not. Maybe not. It's alright. The risk is about 30. Let's see what we do. The market's gonna do what the market wants to do.
Order.
Yeah,
Order canceled.
alright, well, it said no. That's alright. I'm at about 40. Let's go 1 here, so let's go here, kind of here. Yep, we had a loser. Tell you what, we're all gonna have some losers every now and then. We're gonna keep an eye out because it came within a tick or two of our target. That's life. Alright, crude. Ooh, we just hit overbought. We just got overbought in crude. I'm glad we're out of that thing. Hey, if anybody wants the ruler that I use, I'm giving it away free. It's a kind of fun little ruler. Um, just email me, info@sbgtradingcorp.com. With the ruler, it'll give you the amount of dollars per tick of this instrument in case you ever forget. The number of bars between the beginning and end, 21 minutes also since we're on a minute bar. The Y value in ticks, the Y value in dollars, and percent changed, and also the volumes. That's pretty cool. Volume between these 2 points. So feel free to ask for that. You'll also get a free copy of my auto summarized P&L. Sweeping the nation. Everybody loves it. The auto summarized P&L is this little window up here, top left. And whenever you draw a ruler and set it to a lime green color, it'll be a winning trade, and it'll count it as a winning trade, so you'll be able to track it. If you have losing trades, color them red. This line, color it red, and it'll summarize those as losers. Well, I'm glad we're out. Sellers came in and said no more. My risk short at just the right time. All right, here we go. Overbought. Crude is overbought. I gotta keep an eye out for a short signal. Oh, the joy. Pushing higher into overbought again. Right, well, we got some support forming. A little bit of support forming here. I would consider this a good trend trade if it wasn't for this strong upward bias on the tendency. That's all right, no trend trade. No trend trade is just fine. Yeah, the volatility really is not here today. 1037. This is shaping up to be a sell level right here at 75, well, 75 bucks. Ooh, somebody found a buy button in the YM. Yeah, I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced that we're going long here. Not convinced, guys. We gotta hit oversold before we start doing these things. Mm. This is prime sell territory. Prime selling land. Got a good supply zone there. The 100 is pushing down. We got a downtrend. Mm. This is sell territory. There's the sell level. And heating oil. Been overbought for a little bit of time. Getting right. just don't want to do a short trend. Good snap up. That tendency histogram, I use it maybe 10% of the time, or 10% of my consideration is that tendency. It's just a little bit in the way. I mean, we are coming to the point where it's sloping to the 100, so it is weakening. There we go, the NQ didn't like that level. $21 in the ES. $8 risk on Russell. Yeah, things are softening. Tell you what, let's do a sell
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Very small amount of risk here, guys. Risking just about 48 bucks, 50 bucks. Didn't get it. Move the other way on us. Ah, look at that, 2 ticks away. I'm being stingy today. And 44, a few more minutes, and then we're gonna wrap up the session. I'm up a little bit. Again, I went really light. I went light. Light as a feather. Gold, silver, copper here. Nothing really overbought, oversold. I'm looking for that. Crude is overbought again. 3 times is a charm. Heating oil is still finding higher prices. Alright, I'm still holding out here. Let's see if we can find some sellers. Let's see if we can find some sellers. Let's make it around 209, 2100. $2,100 in the Russell. Sell that. Not exactly how I normally trade. Hmm. If you just joined in here, it's 10:47 in the morning. Say hello. Love to hear you in the chat. Man, that is just chunky. Nobody's transacting. Light, light, light. Super light. People are packing up their kids for Juneteenth and heading out to picnic grounds. Gonna have some barbecue. Tell you what, I am enjoying summer fruits. Well, summer's not here yet. Spring fruits, man. Cantaloupe, watermelon. Here in Florida, they have some good stuff, man. I'm just devouring it. I'm gonna turn it into a watermelon, turn it into a cantaloupe. All right, getting near our short price, 2,100. We might get filled on this. We are filled. Filled on 4 out of the 8, 5 out of the 8.
Order filled.
Okay, filled on all 8.
Order submitted.
Take it down to that area down there, guys. We're short from 2,100. Let's take 4 off at that low.
Order submitted.
Yeah, let's try that. How you guys like the music? I did a custom mix for you guys. I got a day trader song I'm gonna debut next week. Yeah, day trader song. Hope you like it. It's a little folksy. I think you'll like it. Oh, look at that. Making a problem. Making a problem, Russell. Don't be a problem child. Nobody likes you. It's just so, see how choppy it is? We got a jumpy market. It's just, it's messy. Look at that volume at the bid and ask. It's 2. I think we might need to wrap it up after this trade. Just chunky. I think people are going home. Going home, hugging their family on Juneteenth. What
Order
better to
failed.
do?
Order canceled.
All right. It wasn't meant to be. Wasn't meant to be. That's all right. I'm pretty much break even here today. Guys, I wish you all the best. I hope you're having a good uh, day. I hope you're having a good day. And I want nothing but good things for you. Reach out to me. Feel free to say hello. I'd love to hear from you. Post a comment in the video. Like, comment, subscribe, criticize, whatever you want to do. I'm easy. Love to hear your feedback. If you have any questions, send them along. Until then, God bless you. You guys are overcomers. You have taken on a great challenge with this industry, and you will overcome if you persevere. So I wish you all the best. Stay well and have a good week. We'll see you on Tuesday, Lord willing. We'll be back right here. All right. God bless you all.